di ba?
Say hi. Say hi.
Di ba?
YOLO. Magkano lang dalang money?
Kasi
Success kami.
napakainit kasi.
No, it's so hot.
Magandang organic and country kasi.
Hindi ako makapaglakad na maayos. Filming here, filming myself. Ha? Nainom ka ba? Ano ba gusto mo? Eat or... Pwede naman eat. Or drinks. Your chilies? Ha?
Double date. It is that serious.
Say hi. Ang ganda, I swear. Hands. Nag-check siya ng list.
Yeah.
Say hi. Here's our food.
Like, I'm very magastos. Tapos, alam ko naman cake. Like, ha? Ayan, sa taas. Oh, check natin yung Harlan. Kasi, dito na sa kanil, mas dok na ata. Hindi ko lang. Pero ano yan eh, parang new cafe. Pero, there's no ano. There's no space. Oo, nung last time napunta ko here, nakabukas na yun. Pero, walang gaan
ขียนชื่อฉันไว้ด้วยเหรอ
จำได้ว่าของคุณทุกชิ้นจะมีสลักชื่อคุณไว้ไม่ใช่เหรอ
กระดิ่งลมมันต้องแขวนนะครับ ใกล้เวลานัดพีเรียง
บอสจะถามคำถามเดิมทุกๆ5 นาทีไม่ได้นะครับ
Bad trip na siya.
I just woke up from a nap. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Oh my gosh. Ang sakit ng ulo ko kasi I have period today. And the next day. Hindi pa ako ganang kumikilos. Pero I already ate ng morning. It's already maybe 11 something. Oh my gosh, it's already 12 p.m. Well, 11:59. Sinakto ko lang ng 12 o'clock. So yeah, I don't know if lalabas ako to buy some things na kulang pa sa school supply ko. So if I should go out kasi my head aches so bad. Kasi I have my mens. So, should I or not? Should I? Or not? Kasi I feel like I wanna go to Alabang. But then, if aalis ako ngayon, it's too hot. Tapos pag aalis mo na ako mamaya, tamad na ako. So, I don't know. I'm too lazy to commute. Pero if pupunta naman ako ng SM, it's near lang. Kasi it's too boring there eh. Tapos wala pa akong kasama. Mas boring yun. But yeah, anyways. If nagka-energy na ako, then I will probably go to Alabang. Pero if I don't have much energy, baka sa SM lang ako. So, see you later. Bye! Ito na, babangon na ako. Ang ganap today is I would go out. I would go to SM instead of going to Alabang. Kasi hindi kaya ng katawan ko if I would go to Alabang today. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to SM. And malapit lang naman siya. I would just walk for 10 minutes. I don't know, maybe. So yeah. I'm just gonna shower. And I'm gonna fix my things. And pick some clothes to wear today. After that, I would go na rin. Pero I'm not sure if I would film a lot later kasi hindi ako comfy mag-film in front of everyone. Medyo ano pa kaya, hindi pa ako ganun ka confident of vlogging in public. Kaya tuwing nag-vlog ako, laging nakababa instead of like this. So yeah, we will just see. So, see you later. Pag nakaayos na ka and nakabihis na ka. Bye!
Hi guys. Still in Alabang, and it's already 7 p.m. I guess. Yeah, it's already 7 o'clock. And yeah, later pa ako uwi, mga 8 siguro. Depende. But yeah, going inside ATC again. So, nasa fitting room ako ng Bershka. And I just picked 2 pieces. And i-try ko siya. And if maganda, then I'll buy it. But if not, then I won't buy it. So we will see, okay? We'll see. This is the first one. Okay naman siya, pero I just don't like yung dito sa arms. Kasi malaki yung arms ko eh. So pag nakaganyan ako, malaki siyang tingnan. I don't know, pero still good. Right. I like it. Lalo na the color. It's pastel yellow. Check ko yung isa. It's nice. Pero, parang siyang pambahay ko lang. But it's okay. Maganda siya. I don't know if I'll get this or that one. Or maybe I just don't get both of them. Diba? Maybe next time na lang. I don't know. But yeah. I am now going home. And hindi ko siya binili. Kasi I don't wanna spend a lot. Kasi I do have limit when I go out. Dapat kung ano lang yung needed kong gawin here. Yun lang dapat ang babayaran ko. Was that right? I don't think that's right. Yeah, never mind. Basta yun. Okay, bye. Have to go na. Magbubook na lang ako. Kasi ayoko na mag-commute. Kasi it's already night. And I feel scared. Diba? Okay, bye. Bye, y'all.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아. 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.